Kalangut Beach, Goa in the night.
Very pretty fruits, all colorful.
It's around 7 o'clock in the night here, right?
Right. But it looks like 11 o'clock.
Yeah. It's November 13th, 2021.
Yeah.
And we are walking here just by the sea, as you can see,
Yes.
strolling along the seaside on Kalangut Beach, Goa in the night. There are many shacks.
Yeah. There are many shacks, colored ones. We are walking towards them. At sea below, so many fishes and all are there. I don't know.
Where are the fishes?
No, a bit dark now.
Yeah, we just found one strange looking fish, right?
Yeah.
Lying on the shore.
Crabs and I don't know what other things are coming.
See the
up.
reflection
Yeah, very pretty.
of the
In the
shacks.
water, no?
The waters come on our feet.
Yeah.
Reflection of the shacks. This is Kalangut Beach in the night. And we are going for a stroll here on the beach in the night. Another colorful shack here.
Yes. Looks pretty. It has a hammock also. Hammock.
But you can't see it in the dark.
Yeah. It's very dark.
Here is the sea in the night.
I like the colors in the water.
Yeah,
They're
very
looking so nice.
pretty they look.
Yeah.
If you don't talk in the camera, nobody can hear you.
They look very pretty. The reflection of the lights in the water. It looks like a rainbow.
Yes. That day you saw a rainbow.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Few days back. And we took videos of it. The rainbow was at the same spot here.
Yeah.
Right?
Danger spot, huh? Be careful.
Nobody can hear you unless you talk in the camera.
This is a danger spot. The current is more over here. So you have to be far little.
How colorful the shacks look. And right in the distance over there is Baga Beach.
Yeah.
All lit up and shining.
Baga looks nice.
We are walking here in the night at around 7 o'clock, enjoying the nightlife of Kalangut Beach, Goa. November 13th, 2021. Here comes the water rushing to greet us in the darkness. How colorful that shack looks. That's a strobe light, is it?
Yeah.
What light is it?
What light? Where?
Nobody can hear you unless you talk in the camera.
Where is the strobe light?
What
There
is that big
is a
light?
street light.
Acha. There are no ships out today, barges. Can you see any?
No. Few lights are there. I don't know what ships they are.
People out here on the beaches, walking, strolling, having fun. The sea looks dark and scary.
And refreshing and fun.
In the night, the sea looks fun.
Yeah, see, it is coming on our feet.
To me, it looks scary in the night. Looks scary in the day also. And we are experiencing a blackout now. Shack lights are on, but otherwise it's a blackout here on the beach. So blackout time, part of the nightlife of Kalangut Beach, Goa.
Goa has power cuts, I think. See the moon?
And there's the moon.
Half moon.
Half moon.
Yeah.
There's the half moon on over Kalangut Beach, Goa. Shedding light in the darkness, in the blackout.
Yeah, you can see the light. See?
Blackout here. Kalangut Beach, Goa, blackout. And we are walking. Strolling on the beach in the blackout.
Yeah.
What is that light?
Somebody's cell phone light.
Looks so bright.
Yeah. Dog is there. You can see.
Blackout here. All the shack lights have gone out.
And all the candle lights you can see. But
Yes. The lights you see are candles on the tables put on the beach so that people can have candlelight dinner. It is around 7 p.m. here, Kalangut Beach, Goa. It's a blackout now, and it's November 13th, 2021. We are strolling here on this blackout on Kalangut Beach, Goa.